Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Ford's 1999 to 2016 F-250 Super Duty.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your truck's cab. Step 3. Remove the factory front cab mount by cutting along the weld that holds the mount to the frame rail. You should not need to make any cuts to the frame rail itself. Step 4. Remove any frame rot, rust, or debris from the work area and spray the work area with a weld-through primer. Hold the replacement mount up to the frame rail using the factory parts silhouette for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Step 6. Lower and reinstall the cab. Now, get back out on the road.